It's me again, Nicole Mangiat from the Best Mind Skill Training and Assessment Center Incorporated under the supervision of Mr. Wyner A Daet, taking a scholarship in Computer Systems Servicing NC2. And of course, thank you so much Tesda Batangas for giving me a scholarship and a chance to share what I have learned. Today's video, I will going to show you on how to disassemble and assemble the computer system.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself.